There are 3 settings that control the light that comes into the camera. Today we're talking about ISO.
Let's go!
Sensitivity of digital sensor to light. ISO is one of the settings that help adjust your brightness on footage. The higher the number, the brighter it gets.
Of course, there's an industry standard on what the settings need to be in order to get the movie look, but we'll get into that in a future video.
So what happens when you use too high of an ISO? The higher the number, the more it reduces dynamic range and color accuracy in your pictures. It can produce grainy footage and might be hard to detect on your camera's monitors since it's so small, so be very careful. On the opposite end, what happens when it's too bright outside and ISO is already at 100? Best suggestion is an ND filter, so you don't have to crank your other 2 settings to compensate, but if you need to, change your aperture first, and then if it's still too bright, adjust shutter speed. The key is to keep your ISO as low as possible by adjusting brightness of external light and using ISO as a last resort. You might also come across the term base ISO, which is the number that your camera can produce the sharpest and most accurate photo. For most cameras, that ISO is at 100. My name is Kian, and I'll see you in the next video.